Hello, good morning students. In the last class, we have discussed about some important facts of electrode potential and some tricks to solve the problems. Now, we are moving to the next concept, that is standard hydrogen electrode, or you can call normal hydrogen electrode. It is a reference electrode used in order to find out the electrode potential values of different electrodes. As we know that the electrode potential values of various elements, as we used in the literature, are not their absolute values. They are just determined relative to some reference electrodes only. And moreover, the electrode potential of an electrode, particularly single electrode, is not possible to determine alone. So it can be only measured with respect to or by connecting with another electrode. Why? Because of single electrode. That means in a cell you can consider the half cell in a particular cell. For example, look at this Daniell cell, what we have studied. In this Daniell cell, if you are going to consider this is a half cell and it is half cell. For a single electrode, half cell, here oxidation reaction takes place. Oxidation reaction or a reduction reaction cannot take place alone. When both the half cells are connected, simultaneously oxidation and reduction reaction takes place. So for that reason, determination of electrode potential of a single electrode is not possible, but it can be measured by connecting with another half cell. That means another electrode. So here, in order to measure the electrode potential of a particular electrode, we require some standard reference whose values is arbitrarily taken as a constant. So different reference electrodes are used. For example, standard hydrogen electrode, calomel electrode, which is made up of mercury and mercury chloride, silver chloride electrode. So among this, now let us consider the first one, standard hydrogen electrode. In this case, we are studying about its construction and working, how it is constructed. So now we'll discuss about construction of SHE. Now the first point is construction. So how this SHE is constructed? Construction of standard hydrogen electrode. How simple? It is very simple. Look at this. It consists of standard hydrogen electrode. It consists of a platinum wire. It consists of a platinum wire. This platinum wire is connected with a platinum foil. This is a platinum foil on which the finely divided platinum powder is pasted. Platinum foil containing finely divided platinum is coated on this surface. Now, this platinum wire is shielded in the inner glass tube. This is an inner glass tube, small glass tube. The platinum wire is shielded in this, and this is covered by an outer glass jacket. It is covered by an outer glass jacket. It is covered by an outer glass jacket. And this is for connection. So from this top, we are passing the pure and dry hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is to be passed at 1 bar pressure, at 1 bar pressure, and this is dipped in 1 molar solution of HCl. It is dipped in 1 molar HCl solution. The concentration of solution is 1 molar. The platinum block is half dipped in this solution. A 1 molar solution. This is the construction of SHE. This consists of 1 molar HCl solution, H plus ions, 1 molar H plus ions. This is HCl solution. This one is platinum wire. This is platinum wire. This one is platinum wire, and this is platinum foil. This is platinum foil. Platinum foil. Even here we can represent at 1 bar or 1 atmospheric pressure. It should be constant, either 1 bar or 1 atmospheric, and this is dry hydrogen gas. This is about construction, simple wordings. Once again you can repeat along with me. So SHE consists of a platinum wire which is linked with, or it is connected to, a platinum foil coated with platinum powder. This platinum wire is shielded in the inner glass tube. This one is inner glass tube. ये जो है ये glass tube है. This is glass tube. Inner glass tube. This one is inner glass tube, and this is outer glass tube. Outer glass jacket. Outer glass jacket, and it is 1 molar solution. So this is about its construction. हो गया construction. Now in this construction, some of the important points that we need to remember is, some important points to be remembered. देखिए कौन सा points है. In this construction of SHE, first point, standard hydrogen electrode. This SHE is used as a reference electrode and it is universally accepted, and its value arbitrarily taken as 0. So therefore it is used as its value, reduction potential value is taken as 0. How it work? The first condition is the hydrogen gas what we are passing from the top, that must be pure and dry. This is the first condition. It must be pure and dry hydrogen gas is passed continuously. यहाँ पर जो हाइड्रोजन गैस पास कर रहे हैं, this must be pure hydrogen and it is dry hydrogen is pure and dry hydrogen gas is passed continuously at maintaining 1 bar or 1 atmospheric pressure. This is the first condition. And the second one is the concentration of solution is unity. The concentration is kept unity. That means यहाँ पर 1 molar, the concentration must be 1 molar. If any impurities is enter into the cell, then it get poison. So therefore we cannot get the accurate values. So these are the two conditions, and it is very difficult to maintain the unit molar concentration, and it is difficult to pass one hydrogen gas at 1 atmospheric pressure exactly, because it is lightest element. It is difficult to maintain at 1 atmosphere or 1 bar pressure. So these are the difficulties while using this SHE. This is about construction. Now how it works. Look at the working. So here SHE, it works as anode as well as cathode. Working of SHE, how it works. When it is connected, look at the cell, Daniell cell, construction and working of Daniell cell. Look at this. This is a cell. If I want to determine the electrode potential of zinc, I want to determine this. So with respect to, यहाँ पर cell potential values is 1.1 volt. So this is the potential difference between zinc and copper is 1.1 volt. Suppose if I want to determine the electrode potential of zinc only. So zinc values कितना है? It is minus 0.76. So how we have measured these values? So just by using a reference electrode. So in one side, in one half cell, that is half cell, zinc half cell, and other side we need to connect with SHE. यहाँ पर SHE लेना पड़ेगा. Zinc on left hand side and SHE on right hand side. When these two are connected, then the cell potential is equals to 0.76 volt. 0.76 E is equal to 0.76 volt minus 0.76 volt. That means it having a less tendency to undergo reduction. Reduction potential values. Zinc potential we can measure. Similarly, if I want to determine the potential value of copper, electrode potential value, then similarly, copper dipped in copper sulfate is half cell. This copper dipped in copper sulfate half cell is connected with SHE. So thereby we can determine the electrode values. So now here there is two possibilities. Working of SHE. When it is connected, the first point, when it is connected at the left hand side, that means at anode, when SHE is connected at anode, it undergo, anode means what? Anode means it undergo oxidation. When SHE is connected at left hand side along with the another electrode whose values we need to determine. Now when it is connected at anode, it undergo oxidation. Now what is the reaction? So it is working at anode, oxidation. So oxidation means loss of electron. When pure and dry hydrogen gas is passed, and here on the platinum surface the reaction is taking place, the solution containing H plus ions, and from this we are passing H2 gas. Look at this reaction. H2 gas that we are passed, this undergo oxidation. Oxidation हुआ तो H plus ion plus loss of 2 electrons. Remember, already H plus ion is present in the solution, right? Now the another H plus is enter from this. This is H2 gas. H2 gas, when it undergo oxidation, this also liberate H plus plus electron from gas. H plus plus electron ये liberate हुआ है. Now in this solution H plus ions which is oxidized by passing the hydrogen gas, and H plus ions present in the solution. Both the ions are present. Now this ion, the ions present in the acid which gains this electron, and hydrogen gas is liberated from this end. So here H plus plus electrons it is again liberated. Equilibrium reactions हो गया यहाँ पर. तो similarly, if it is connected at a right hand side, that means it acts, how it works at cathode. When it is connected at right side at cathode means we know that reduction reaction is taking place. At cathode में reduction reaction taking place. Reduction means gain of electron. The H plus ions present in the solution which gains an electron which gives rise to hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. In order to balance two molecules, two electrons, hydrogen gas is liberated. Hydrogen gas is liberated. So here this is oxidation reaction and this one is reduction reaction. So how we are going to represent cell representations के बारे में आपको पता है. So this is oxidation half is represented by H2. This is the gas. So what is the conditions? Solution concentrations में hydrogen gas is passed at 1 bar R 1 atmosphere in bracket bar or slash H plus ion. H plus concentration 1 molar unit molar concentration है. Similarly H plus ion 1 molar concentration slash first H plus ion से बाद में H2 gas है either 1 atmosphere or you can write 1 bar. So this is cathode half cell and this is anode half cell. Cathode and anode half cell. This is about working. Simple है working. Construction भी देखिए and working भी देखिए. Construction क्या है? It consists of a platinum wire connected with a platinum foil. This platinum wire is shielded in the inner glass tube and covered with an outer glass jacket, and this is dipped in 1 molar solution. This is construction. Working क्या है? When pure and dry hydrogen gas is bubbled through the solution at 1 bar or 1 atmospheric pressure continuously, then the following reaction takes place. When SHE connected at anode, this undergoing oxidation and it is a reaction. Similarly, when it is connected to a right hand side, it acts as a reduction. Then these are the reaction taking place. The overall reactions is 0 यहाँ पर. Cell oxidation potential or reduction potential. To generally, its reduction potential or oxidation potential value is taken as 0. Its value is taken as 0. Now how we are going to represent this cell? Representation of this cell. So it can be represented by the standard hydrogen electrode is represented by, यहाँ पर हम we are using the platinum electrode, platinum, comma. If it is placed at the left hand side, then first write platinum and then oxidation, because left hand side oxidation takes place. So therefore platinum H2 in bracket 1 atmosphere or 1 bar slash H plus in bracket 1 molar. This is the cell representation of SHE when it is connected with a cell, that is left hand side, if it acts as anode. Similarly, or it can be represented by अगर ये राइट हैंड साइड में कनेक्ट किया तो राइट हैंड साइड में प्लैटिनम फर्स्ट नहीं लिखना. सो इफ इट इज कनेक्टेड टू द राइट साइड, then first write H plus in bracket its concentration slash H2 gas 1 atmospheric pressure comma platinum is the electrode. This is its representation, cell representation of SHE. SHE can be represented by representation of SHE. Its representation is this. These are the reaction and it is the representation, and this is the construction and some conditions. The hydrogen gas pass must be pure and dry and it is continuously passed at 1 bar pressure. The second condition is the solution must be unit molar. That means 1 molar. It must be kept at unit concentration. And this surface become poisoned if in the presence of trace amount of impurities. Therefore, pure dry hydrogen gas must be passed. Or else, this get poisoned and we cannot get the results. its value, electrode potential values, is taken as 0. Arbitrarily, the electrode potential values of oxidation potential value is 0. That is connected when it is connected at the left side. Even reduction potential value is also considered as 0. Arbitrarily, its electrode potential value is taken as 0. Its value is 0. This is about its construction and working of SHE. Construction and working of SHE. Thank you.